Hi, so in this video, I want to talk about symptoms that people get after they get the monkey juice. So it will be a quick video. I won't give my opinion about monkey juice because if you know me, I'm sure you know my opinion about it. I just want to make this video because I see so many people who have suddenly symptoms they never had in their life and they don't know what it is. They go to the doctor. The doctor, of course, like it happens often, doesn't know what to tell them. They give you, painkillers and useless things like that, because of course they never look for the cause. But yeah, these people, many people, after they get monkey juice, they um, they don't know what's happening with them, and many of them don't do the link between the juice they received and their new symptoms. I see so many people like that, not only around me, but in Facebook groups. For example, I can see people saying, "Oh, I have this or that symptom. I don't know what's happening. It came from nowhere. I went to see my doctor. He doesn't know. I don't know why. What can I do?" So it's very weird to see how can people can be in such denial, but also some people, because sometimes these symptoms happen several weeks after they got the monkey juice. So that's one reason why they don't necessarily make the relation between monkey juice and their symptoms. Anyway, this video is to list the main symptoms people get from monkey juice. Of course, what I will say is not based on scientific studies because, as you know, this monkey juice is something completely new. It never happened in history ever before. So nobody really knows what is in this monkey juice. If we believe what we are told of what is inside, I'm sure it's just a little part that they are telling us. I'm sure there are other things that we don't know. And even if we believe what they tell us is in this monkey juice, it's again something completely new that has never been given to such a scale, uh, on humans. So nothing that I will say in this video is proven because because it's something new. It's an experiment. I won't be able to give solutions or treatments, to help with these symptoms either, because again, it's something new. And in naturopathy, we look for the cause of disease. We look for the cause of the symptoms so we can suppress the symptoms by eliminating the cause. But in this case, the cause is some kind of poison. And we don't know what this poison is, so it's very difficult to find a remedy to something we don't know. And I don't want to risk giving you suggestions about how to treat these things because again we are not sure what is in there. So my only suggestion would be do your best to detoxify your body, but I don't want to give you specifics because some things that usually work to detoxing your body maybe in this case would make your situation worse because again we don't know what it is exactly. So I will just list the symptoms to help people who hopefully will watch this video. They got the monkey juice, they will watch this video and then they will understand why. Oh, okay, I have these symptoms, maybe that's because of monkey juice. This is my goal with this video, is just to give some clarity to these people. Okay, so the main symptoms, again, it's not based on scientific studies because there are none of my knowledge, because again, it's an experiment, it's too early. But it's based on what I see around me. It's based on testimonies I can see in Facebook groups, and it's based also on one particular French Facebook group that was created last July. to gather the testimonies of people who got symptoms from monkey juice. And this Facebook group has been censored and completely deleted 4 times already. So Facebook deletes these groups after 2 or 3 weeks. Like the first group, when it was created beginning of July. 3 weeks later, there were 200,000 French people in this group sharing about the side effects of monkey juice, and Facebook just deleted this group. So every time Facebook deletes this group, the group is created again. So now they are at this group number 5. So, and you can see testimonies every day from people sharing their symptoms and or the symptoms of loved ones, and it can be very, very severe side effects. Anyway, let's go. So the symptoms are mostly from cardiac disorders, cardiac issues. Very common are pericarditis, myocarditis, stroke, thrombosis, pulmonary embolism, tachycardia, arrhythmia, shortness of breath, thoracic pain. Okay, because apparently this monkey juice, by the way, if you want to comment under this video, please write in code, because I don't want to get censored. Okay, so don't say forbidden words. Okay, thank you. So anyway, this monkey juice, apparently the main issue with it, at least right now, maybe other things will come in the next months, but the main issue with it is that it creates clots. Okay, either small tiny clots in very small veins, either big clots. So depending the size of the clot, it will create different issues. Other symptoms, you will have, like some people have tingling. Again, this can be caused because of clots, stopping like a correct blood flow, or it can be caused by this monkey juice could hurt your nervous system in a way. Okay, some people share that they get bruises. They like bruises that appear from nowhere. Again, it's because of very small blood clots that forms in the small vessels and destroy them, and then some people will have like big bruises. It can be small or big bruises anywhere on the body, different colors. It can be blue, it can be red, it can be black. Some people show pictures of their feet or legs or any other part of the body that are completely red or black. It's actually the blood that got out of small vessels and that is stuck under the skin. Nosebleeds, swollen limbs. Swollen limbs because, again, it's usually because of a clot, a big blood clot. So it can be swollen legs, swollen arms, swollen feet. Epilepsy. I can see many people who never had epilepsies ever in their life, and they start having epilepsy. This is usually because the clot gets in the brain. Memory loss, disorientation, paralysis for the same reason. So paralysis, it can be paralysis of a limb, paralysis of an arm, paralysis of a leg, or paralysis of a part of the face. Vision issues, vision problems, or hear loss or tinnitus. So this again is usually caused by a small blood clot that gets into the eye area or the ear area. Many people report shingles. Many people report extreme fatigue. Many people, especially women, report hormonal issues, loss of their periods, or old women like in their 70s, 80s, 90s, getting their periods again, and they have been in menopause for years, but they get their periods again after the monkey juice. uh, and so some young women will lose their periods for a week or two or several weeks, or some other women who normally have a very regular cycle will get their period in the middle of their cycle. Some other women will lose tons and tons of blood, much more than usual. They will have big blood clots coming out. So all these kinds of issues. You can see miscarriages also of pregnant women after the monkey juice. For men also, they can have pain in their testicles or swelling of the testicles. They can have erectile dysfunction. So apparently this monkey juice kinds of targets the reproductive system, the genital area and the reproductive system. Again, I won't make any comments about that. Many people also report a metallic taste in their mouth after they got the juice. Some people report hair loss. And also, I've seen many people reporting an awakening of diseases they had in remission. Like, for example, people who had Crohn's and who got their Crohn's in remission, then Crohn's come back like 10 times worse. Or people who had cancers in the past, they cured their cancer, they don't have cancer anymore, and then bam, the cancer comes back. Or some things like that. Or some people who have chronic diseases right now and they see a worsening of their current chronic diseases. Okay, so again, I don't have a solution to offer you. I just wanted to list these symptoms in case, some people don't make the relation between their new symptoms and what they got, several weeks or several months ago. And very often these people, they have these symptoms, they go to the hospital, they go to their doctor, and the hospital or the doctor, they don't know what to do. They just, as always, they only treat the symptoms. They don't look for the cause. And even if they wanted to look for the cause, usually themselves, they don't make the relation of the monkey juice and the symptoms of their client, of their patients. So anyway, I hope this could help clarify some symptoms to some people who might watch this video, or if you know people who have suddenly weird symptoms, maybe you can send them this video, and hopefully it will help, understanding where it comes from. Unfortunately, I don't have, a treatment to offer or to suggest, and I don't want to also take the risk of suggesting something to do about it, because again, it's too new. The only way to avoid these things is not getting the monkey juice. That's the only thing I can tell you. Anyway, I see you in my next video. Again, if you want to comment under this video, you can, but please talk in codes. Thank you. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.